Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. If you Google auspicious clouds, you will see it's a pattern and look like this, but in Chinese paper cutting. Okay, I say one of them looks like what we are going to make today. Alright, let's start. Let's use basic folding method 4. If you don't know the folding method, I posted the link in the description box. The pattern is on the left. Red represents good luck in China, so we are going to use red, orange, yellow, and purple today. Purple and yellow are high contrast color. As I mentioned in my previous video, one of these two colors is better to be a small proportion, so I will save purple to the last. And just a little touch. Let's see. How do you think? Any color combination or pattern design suggestion? Tell me in the comments, and I may try it. See you next time.